We're about to find out how spicy you like your pizza. Well, actually, how spicy I like my pizza. Green Hatch Chili Pizzas is going down today, right now, on the Rec Tech. Thin crust going down. We are gonna brush this with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna brush that olive oil into the crust. This is what's going down on this Green Hatch Chili Pizza today. Pizza Girl vodka sauce. How do I get this open? It's so hard to get this out of the package. We got our mozzarella, shredding our own cheese. Woo! You need me, John? Yeah, go ahead. Don't worry, you'll be a part of the video. Giving me a bill. John, meet everybody. Everybody meet John. If you guys need your spent stained, this is the guy you want to call. I'll tag him in the post. All right, Parmesan time. You know, I had somebody tell me that they don't like pizza with pepperoni. Craziness. Now we have the star of the show. We have our green chilies. We have our bullseye and our smoke stone going at 500 degrees. So we're gonna put this on there and we're gonna let it go. And then we're gonna dive into it. Hey, speaking of green chilies, Raw & Sons has this peach and hatch chilies beer. Let's give it a shot. That's tasty. Yeah. Looking good. Can't be in Texas and not have ranch for your pizza. That is not beautiful on that side. Don't look at that, don't mind that. Fresh mozzarella, fresh Parmesan, Green Hatch chilies, pepperoni. This pizza looks fantastic. It looks a lot better than my last one. I'm not gonna lie. Shall we? Nice thin crust. Oh, that was really aggressively loud. I have to. Wow. You weren't wrong, Scott. You weren't wrong. Not hot. Not so hot.